Hi there, welcome to another tutorial with me, where we play a little bit with yoga and the practices and the techniques, the physical, the breathing techniques, and also a little bit of meditation and mindfulness. So it's just about 10 to 15 minutes. And thank you for those who have joined me on the Zoom. So these recordings we post on YouTube, but it is an interactive session. So I'd like you to find your way into a seat. So for me, I feel really comfortable some days just sitting on my shins, other times sitting cross-legged on the floor, on a pillow, or even on a chair. And so finding a position that works for your body. Yoga is a practice that anyone can do. And so any physical body and the practices and the techniques and the movements and the postures we adapt to suit our body best. Okay, so finding a seat, closing the eyes, letting the hands rest onto the thighs. Take a moment to feel the body. So feeling if there's any tension anywhere. Feeling if there's any tightness. Feeling if you can relax, but keep the spine nice and straight. It's almost like you're reaching up through the crown of the head, like there's a little string pulling you up. And then once you feel into your whole body, you can start to draw your awareness a little bit more to your breath. So don't worry about controlling the breath, deepening and lengthening it. Just noticing if you're breathing in and out through the nose, noticing how deep the breath goes down. If you're maybe only breathing into the chest, or are you breathing all the way down into the belly? So breathing in and out through the nose now. Noticing how the body expands as you breathe in. And as you exhale, there's that relaxation in the shoulders, that natural release. And then take your awareness into your mind. So feeling or noticing if there's any thoughts that keeps coming up. If there's a memory, or if there's a little conversation that you'd like to finish with someone you didn't get a chance to explain yourself. And then take a deep breath in. Hold the breath. And as you exhale, let go. Relax, release, full exhalation. And then I'd like you to take your arms out to the side. As you breathe in now, take the hands out, up over the head. Touch the palms, stretch. And then as you exhale, bring the hands down the center. And out, breathing in. Lifting the arms wide. Up over the head, touch the palms, and exhale, bring the hands down the center. Let's do one more. Deep breath in. And then exhale the hands into the heart. Open the eyes. Take the fingers forward, out to the side. Open the chest, look up. So this is what we call our breath of joy. Take a deep breath in, big smile on your face. Then as we exhale, we wrap the arms around the body, hands to the shoulders, squeeze, and then drop the head down. Inhale to open, look up, puff up the chest, spread the fingers, big smile. And then exhale, wrap around, but take the other arm on top, squeeze the hand onto the shoulders, and drop the head. Inhale to open, Deep, full breath. And then exhale to squeeze. And then you can stay here in the embrace. So in this embrace, feel how you can squeeze a little bit tighter. Take another deep breath in. Exhale fully. And you can lift the gaze and you can open the eyes and release the arms out to the side. So if you are sitting onto the shins, you can just come onto the cross leg position. On a chair, it's fine, you can stay there. If you were sitting like this, you can change the cross of the legs. So just coming into a different position. We're going to twist over to the left side. So bring the left hand or the right hand onto the left leg and then just turn and twist over to the side. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the left. And then twist, right. Twist, left. And then one more. And then center. Good. And then drop the chin. Lift it up. And drop it down. And lift it up. And then from there, take the nose over to the right side down. And to the left side up. Little circle with the nose. Be very, very mindful about what's going on in the neck. And once you come up, you change direction. You're going at your own pace. And then up, and then relax. And then we're going to roll the shoulders a little bit. So bring the hands onto the shoulders. And then bring the elbows forward. Take them up and wide. And then down and out to the side. Down, forward, up, back, down, forward, up, back, down, and change direction. Or down, one more. Or now let's do a couple more. Up, forward, down, and then relax. Take the arms wide, spread into the fingers again. And then this time you can take the palms and put face down and then flip the fingers up so you can press into the hands, into the palms, straight arms, strengthening the shoulders. Then I'd like you to start to move the fingers forward and then back. As you move it forward, the shoulders roll forward and then back, you open. And then you can go at your own pace. So with this session today, just moving a little bit into the body, mostly the upper body. Keep going, go a little bit faster, 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 faster. And then stop, press, and then just relax the arms. Then start to shoot the fingers. So you can bend the elbows a little bit. Take them forward, up, twisting, open to the side. Keep opening and closing the hands, up. Twisting, opening to the other side. Up, forward, out. Stay with me. Forward, and then open and relax. Close the eyes. Feel the body. Take a deep breath in. And let it go. And feel how each breath in energizes, expands, lengthens. And as you exhale, you relax. Relax your shoulders. Keep breathing. Gentle, deep breaths in and out through the nose. Relax your arms, your hands onto the legs. Relax your stomach, the belly. Relax your hips, maintaining that beautiful straight spine. Feeling ease and comfort in the seat that you've chosen. Deep, full breath in. A slow, smooth breath out. Take another deep, full breath in. And again, slow, smooth breath out of the body. And then just take a moment to acknowledge this state that you've created, this peaceful, this calm, still state, body, breath, mind. And just take a moment to consider how you would feel and how it would change your life if you could feel this peacefulness, this calm every day. And that's what our practice offers us, our yoga practice. So let's bring the hands together, keep the eyes closed, rub the palms, and then place the hands over the eyes. Make sure that you filter out all the light. And then you can slowly open the eyes into the hands. Let the hands come away from the face. And then bring the hands down. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me, those that signed on to the Zoom meeting. We're going to stay a little bit longer after I finish the recording and just chat. And for you who are, for those who are following this session for the tutorial afterwards on YouTube, thank you so much. And please subscribe. And if you have any interest in joining me for full sessions, you're welcome to just contact me or connect with me, and then I'll send you all the information. But otherwise, I hope you have a beautiful day. And yeah, see where you can bring a little bit of yoga into your day. Yeah, it just makes everything a little easier and the mind a little bit more peaceful. So thank you.